Bringing your business to new markets in other countries has never been easier, thanks to the simplicity and availability of global advertising. Understanding which markets have the best potential will be the key to success. You've come to the right place to start the process. Before you start selling abroad, it's important to decide which countries make sense, which markets have the most demand for what you offer. Do some pose legal or logistical challenges that you need to be aware of. Analytics and tools can help you decide which markets offer opportunities. Let's say you've got an online shop selling vintage records. Business has been going really well at home in the UK. You're starting to wonder if expanding into new markets could be your next big step forward. But the question is, where? From Portugal to Finland and Ireland to France, there are some markets where your products could be a hit. Fortunately, there are lots of tools you can use to gauge the situation in advance. You could start by looking at Google's Market Finder. This tool allows you to quickly analyze search traffic on keywords. For example, where do people do a lot of searches for vintage records? Countries that show a lot of search traffic for terms like these could be markets with lots of demand for your products. On the other hand, countries that don't tend to generate a lot of searches for these terms probably aren't your best bet. By using the Google Market Finder, you can make more informed decisions about where to invest in expanding your business. Next, use tools like Keyword Planner or Bing's keyword research tool to find out how much competition there is for search ads. This will help you know whether you're entering a market with few competitors, or whether you'll be entering an already crowded space. Another handy tool is your web analytics. Check whether people in other markets are already showing interest in your business. Imagine you've only shipped within the UK. You might notice that you're getting a lot of website visitors from France. They're browsing your website only to realize that they can't buy your products. Yet, this gives you insight into a waiting customer base beyond demand and competition. Some countries may pose more legal, regulatory, or tax issues than others. You'll want to get an idea of this before you start investing. Many governments have websites where you can find resources to help, so let's recap. Expanding your business into a new market could be a great way to grow. Before you jump in, use online tools to understand demand. Then make sure you're not wandering into legal issues by doing background research. Write down the countries you are interested in. Next, log into your analytics tool and review geographic reports for the last 6 months. Are engagement or conversion metrics showing interest? This exercise can help determine where to prioritize your market targeting. Matt found there's a growing market in Portugal. He now needs to identify insights on his new audience using a variety of tools. Can you help him match the correct tool with its insight? If you found value in this, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.